Unlock a smarter way to shop at Target, turning your wants into reality without the immediate financial strain. First, open your Target app and browse for the items you love, just as you normally would. Once you have all your desired items in your cart, proceed to the checkout screen to see your order summary. On the payment selection screen, look for the Afterpay option among the listed payment methods and select it. You will then be seamlessly redirected to the Afterpay login if you're an existing Afterpay user. Log in if not. You can quickly sign up right from here. After logging in or signing up, Afterpay will display your payment schedule, showing you the 4 easy installments and their due dates. Review the payment schedule and your order details one last time. If everything looks good, confirm your purchase directly through Afterpay. And just like that, your Target purchase is complete using Afterpay, giving you the flexibility to pay over time without traditional interest.